You know this is Zony, the one and only, and watch now now. Me represent for who? Jamaica's worst gamer. Yo! You think louder than promotion?
What more can I do?
Yeah, me come drop some more buying span them and do what? Def them.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S here with another reaction. Move! Hey, guys, today we are with Bascom X. Yes, Bascom X with Watch Out for Bad Mind. Khargo this. We're not surprised, you know? Me not surprised. I'm not surprised because you see Khargo call him name in him song and say go over Portmore, go shell down Bascom X ends. When him at this Deborah. So you don't know, say Bascom and Deborah link. Did a live last night and Bascom X forward and come share a jive with me. So big up yourself, me G. I did say I would get to these songs today. I've been busy for the day, but we're there now. So I could jump in it and show you what I go on for the thumbnail first of all. Thumbnail first of all. We see Khargo in a casket here, so. And we say Headstone, Bad Mind, and Bad Mind. So Khargo, blood class. I want to take off can close. Because your head big, you know, boy. Your head big. So we can hear what Bascom does defend him badness, bro. He might defend himself. Not because the G a singer or a reggae singer and a feel saying not gonna defend him thing. He might defend him thing. The boy can't come shell on the ends. Where? Ready now?
Pull up over Bascom X, yeah.
Yeah, that.
I turn it in a one graveyard.
Tell you now, tall boss, them the real out there, yeah.
I sing Bascom this.
Yeah. Them boy, them girl, them boy.
The singer will kill Khargo now.
Watch out for them. Never them the real, them a fake out there, yeah. What I want to them. Never want to see you make it out there, yeah. Watch out for them. Never them want to see you drop down dead out there. Google them. Dirty heart, never smart one, won't give your blood bath.
So I'm tell you, say, yo, watch out for them. Them no want to see you make it out, brother. Watch out for them. Watch out for them. There's a reason why Khargo called Bascom X name in this song. So he must say, yo, watch out for them. A bad man and boy, a bad man. Watch out for them. Bind for them. Yes, that's what the yes, not me.
Google them. Dirty heart, never smart one, won't give your blood bath. Pass it, everybody alright. Talented youth, their lives alright. Big money popping out, dollar sign. The coach for the money in the money's highlight. Some boy no love progress, love like them I hear process.
Pull up over Bascom X, yeah. I turn it in a one.
Yo, I'm gonna link no one in the comment section. Go over my channel and go tell them some mixing over there, please.
Tall boss, them the real out there, yeah.
Go over my channel and go tell them some mixing over there. Please.
Them boy, them girl, them boy.
Watch out for them. What one?
Watch out for them. Never them the real, them a fake out there,
yeah. Watch out for them.
Never want to see you make it out there, yeah. Watch out for them. Never them want to see you drop down dead out there. Google them. Dirty heart, never smart one, won't give your blood bath. Pass it, everybody alright. Talented youth, their lives alright. Big money popping out, dollar sign. The coach for the money in the money's highlight. Some boy no love progress, love like them I hear process. Stop about badness, oh shop repress. Now bet the money when the sister them homeless. Watch out for them. Never them the real, them a fake out there, yeah.
Watch out for them.
Never want to see you make it out there, yeah. Watch out for them. Never them want to see you drop down dead out there. Google them. Dirty heart, never smart one, won't give your blood bath. Them police and soldier out to make it all kind of story. Them a try fabricate. So me have done check, me have that place, and me have the rifle. Them out from be.
So he must say, yo, them a try set him up. No, them want to see that, but then them not going to live to see that. You see me? Them want to tell police, yeah, him have rifle, like, him a the area leader, him a done for the place. But guess what? The bad man on not going to see that. This is a general diss song. This is a general diss song for bad mind. So he must say Khargo bad mind. He must say Khargo bad mind. Khargo him say bad mind. I don't say so. Bascom X say so.
So me have done check, me have that place, and me have the rifle. Them out from beer, so me champion boy. Y'all
Man say, yo, I'm not on time for Khargo them. I'm not on time for general bad mind people them. At time them a waste, brother. Oxygen them a waste. Them just a chat. Them can't go run me Charmian boy. Big up Mama Charmian. That is it.
No time for them. Chat them a waste oxygen. No time for them. Money man a pre, you know see the free. So why them bad mind way? Why them bad mind way? Dirty all people. Feel with evil. Them bumbo blood clot I got dead in the last part. Yeah. Watch out for them. Enough of them the real, them a fake out there, yeah.
Yo, him get mad a while ago. I'm a thing say. I chat him, I go chat some things now, you know, about Khargo directly, you know, him say, them bumbo rascals I got dead in the last part. Yo, he frightened me a while ago. I say, yo, Bascom X gone, you know.
Them bumbo blood clot I got dead in the last part. Yeah. Watch out for them. Enough of them the real, them a fake out there, yeah. Never want to see you make it out there, yeah. Watch out for them. Enough of them want to see you drop down dead out there. Google them. Dirty heart never smack one in your blood box.
Yeah, man. Yes, man. It's just a general bad mind song with Khargo on the cover at the art. Him never call him name in the song. So he must show you say, yo, I'm not the brother. If you know what this is war, bad mind, war and leave me alone. I don't fuck with that. But that's how the G I say right there, so you know. So big up yourself, Bascom X. Yes. Like I said, I'm going to link that one. Not in the description, you can go over there. No, not in the comment section. You can go over there, go tell them, say, yo, JAMAICA'S game. I said, yeah, man, big up Bascom, man. Big up Bascom, veteran, another thing. You see me? Yeah. It's a reggae star. Yeah. So, you're not going to see him go down too far in the nitty-gritty and talk about things like, oh, a man like Deborah back to the door, Khargo would have do himself. No, he not do that. You see me? Man, I say, yo, watch it. Me have class. I'm going to kill them neatly. Bad mind them. I'm gonna kill them. Wall this.
JAMAICA'S worst
game. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bascom, big up yourself, G. Big up. Peace.
You know this is Zony, the one and only, and watch now. Me represent for who? Jamaica's worst gamer. You think louder than promotion?
What more can I do?
Yeah, me come drop some more buying span them and do what? Def them.